¿Qué tal? ¿Estuvo bueno? ¿Había gente?
Sí.
¿Sí?
Chingo de raza.
¿Sí? ¿Y luego por qué nadie te sacó?
No, es que ya después estos cabrones se perdieron. Y ya no nos hallamos.
Ok.
El mapa nos tiró para otro lado.
¿Y el CRB no pudo sacarte?
No la hizo.
¿No? Hey guys, good morning, Rhino here, and happy 4th of July. I'm not sure when you will see this video, but happy 4th of July to you. I hope you had a good one. It is around 6:30 in the morning. I just got a call, and we're going into the wash. It should be an easy recovery, I would assume. We're gonna go get a little Nissan Hardbody Pickup. They burn the clutch, and you know they're not able to get out. Of course, the good thing about it is that they end up being kind of close to the entrance. So we're still gonna go through the river, you know, to get to them. Hook them up, pull them right out. Hopefully it's just as easy as that, you know, no complications. And you know, of course, once I get there, I keep recording. All right, and thank you for coming along. Okay, here we go. Hay unos gentes que están esperando. Alright, so I came to recover a Nissan Hardbody, and I just see somebody on a Toyota right here, so we'll see. I just crossed the river on two-wheel drive, and I made it through just fine. But again, you know, I have bigger tires, and I'm lifted and everything. I don't see these guys. They say they would be here. Let me give them a call. All right, I just got somebody to come and get me. Okay. Let's go. So they brought a CRB, I guess, to help, but I don't know if I don't know exactly what happened. I'm gonna ask right now. So, ¿qué? ¿Se te quemó el clutch?
Sí, es que nos metimos en todo el río hasta allá abajo, hasta el otro lado.
Sí. Y ¿desde qué hora estás aquí?
No, desde ayer a las 6 de la tarde.
¿O andaban aquí?
Sí.
¿Qué tal? ¿Estuvo bueno? ¿Había gente?
Sí.
¿Sí?
Chingo raza.
¿Sí? ¿Y luego por qué nadie te sacó?
No, es que ya después estos cabrones se perdieron. Y ya no nos hallamos.
Ok.
El mapa nos tiró para otro lado.
¿Y el CRV no pudo sacarte?
No la hizo.
¿No? Yeah, so just the clutches, the clutch is burned. So okay, so we got them all hooked up. It should be it should be an easy recovery. So let's start pulling and we'll see what's up. All right, just in case, we're gonna go on 4 low. I don't know if I should activate my locker. I don't think I will need it, but let's see. So it's pretty heavy, even though it's a little truck, especially with the soft sand. It's pretty heavy. Like you can see, my truck is like having a hard time getting traction because of the sand. Mainly, it's not because my truck cannot, doesn't have the power to pull it. It's just the sand. There's no traction, regardless. So let's see how it goes once I get to the water. Once we go on the other side of the river, it should be better because the sand is a lot more compact. Like right now, look, I'm getting better grip of the ground. Yeah, see right here, it's a lot easier. So right now we're pulling them. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm trying to keep it steady. Either way, so we're heading that way. You know what? I've been here plenty of times, and I just noticed the tunnel right there. The drain or whatever that is, the concrete drain. Anyway, let's go. Hola. Let me go on 2-wheel drive because right here we should be fine on 2-wheel drive. Still there. I haven't lost them. Hope. Again, there you go. And we're climbing up. Again, sorry about the shakiness. Hopefully you guys don't get too dizzy. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, and they're out. As easy as that. It was easier than making one of those instant soups. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. Of course, we'll see you next time. And if you can, please help me grow the channel by sharing some of my videos. I would really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.